I got a package, I got a package, I got a package, hey, 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 hey. Alright, you guys. I got a package. Super excited. Yes, it is 2 a.m. 2 a.m. 2 p.m. And I am still in my pajamas. I am. I had nothing to do today. So, I'm still in my pajamas. The kids weren't here until just recently. They got here about an hour and a half ago. So, yeah, I'm still in my pajamas. And I'm not planning on getting out of them anytime soon. So, yeah. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm really excited about this package because when I was reading the reviews and looking at the pictures, it looked so awesome. So this isn't an unboxing, it's just a review because I already opened it, but I haven't had a chance to actually test it out. So, what I got was another white noise machine. I'll do a review on my other white noise machine that I got, but I wanted to do one on this one first, even though I got the other one first. But I wanted to do one on this one first because I really, 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 really want to try this machine out. So, yeah, so this white noise machine, the company is called MomMed. It uses a fan to make the sound. So it's not like a looped recording. It's a natural sound, which I thought was totally awesome. And then it also has a nightlight on it, which my other machine does not have a nightlight on it. My other machine's just a plain old white noise machine, looped audio. I still love my other machine, but I'm really excited about this one because of all the different features. Another thing that I like about this one that I don't like about my other one's battery powered, but it's optional. So I guess actually I like that better than I like that because this one cannot take batteries. So if the power goes out for some reason, I can't use it. My other one takes a USB so you can plug it in or you can use batteries. So I guess that's actually a plus because if the power goes out for some reason, then I can just put batteries in it. So that's a definite plus. But I wanted to get another one because I want to have one in all of the rooms. My oldest two kids have ADHD, so sometimes they have a hard time falling asleep. And then my daughter has autism. She's autistic. So I have a machine in her room already with a light and cute little fish, and it plays music, and it also plays like the static sound. So she has one in her room. I want one in all of the rooms. My phone is dying, so I better hurry up and finish this video. Anyway, so this is the machine. So as you can see, pretty big package here. Y'all know I'm big on packaging. I love this packaging. I love it. I love it. I love it. I mean, it's simple, but I've seen worse. I've seen much worse, but I like this packaging a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and take it out and show it to you guys. Like I said, cam's about to die, so there's a bunch of little things inside of here. And then of course there's the instruction manual, which English instructions, which is always a major plus for me. So, okay. So I'm going to do a really quick demonstration before my camera completely dies. So, this is the machine. This is it. Is it upside down? It is. Okay. So we got, this is a light button to adjust the light. This is the power button to turn it on and off. This, I'm not sure if this does anything. I guess we're about to find out. I thought this was a volume button, but then I was like, that can't be a volume button because it has natural sound. So I doubt it's a volume button. But this turns, and that's how you control the amount of the sound. So we're gonna see. I think I'm actually gonna turn the light off just to give a better demonstration of what the nightlight looks like, because it's daytime right now and I have the light on inside because my living room gets pretty dark. So I'm gonna plug this up And we're gonna test this out real quick. Alright. Okay, let's see. Alright, so here's the machine. We are going to push the power button. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, it's probably my plug, not the machine. One second. This plug is retarded. Okay. So, definitely was the plug. Okay. So, okay. Oh, that's the light thing. That's awesome. So see, it gets, that's how you turn it off, by tapping it, and then it gets brighter and dimmer. And you just touch it. It's not a, see, just touch it. Gets brighter and dimmer. That's awesome. Oh, that's how you turn the fan off, on and off, I'm guessing. Is there any way to turn the fan off? I don't think so. Oh, like that. Okay. Oh. Okay, fan on, fan off, light adjustment, and light off and on. Okay, so now, like I was saying, that's how you increase the sound. And I guess that also, the power, it's the power of the fan here. And then you can, it actually gives off, it wouldn't be enough air to actually use as a fan, but it does give off a little breeze. You can feel it. So this is totally a 5-star product in my book. This is so awesome. I love this thing. So now, the dreaded question, do I use this in my daughter's room or do I use it in my own? This is awesome. Yeah. So that is the MomMed white noise machine. I am very, very impressed. It is awesome. The light is beautiful. The controls are awesome. The packaging was nice. I love everything about it. So yeah, go get yours. Just product link will be in the description. See you guys in my next video.